Tag team titles are on the line here. Well, now they're doing it. Hey, no weapons. NPK and Dynamo will be starting off. The number, this is for the Fight Night Tag Team Championships. Who will be the Fight Night Tag Team Champions? Alright. Once the ref calls for the bell. That's a bell ring. Here we go. Tag team titles are on the line here. Near Lightning Storm. Oh my gosh. NPK has the title match tonight against Paydirt. Won the ambulance match. Dynamo and NPK. Lightning Storm kicking off the first year. Oh my! What a German suplex. NPK starting early with another drop kick to Dynamo. And Dynamo turning it around here for their team. Excuse me, Rockstar. You guys have a team name? Or not yet? Totally ignoring me.
X Factor.
Alright then. Oh, we got cover.
2,
Whoa.
3, 5.
That was I think that was like 1.5. Oh! Paydirt taking down Dynamo. Remember, Dynamo has a match tonight for the World Heavyweight Championship against Fear. Dynamo might be the guy to stop Fear. Dynamo was yet to win a championship here in Fight Night. Will this be the beginning? While his tag team partner Rockstar captured it in his first pay-per-view. Oh my! Dragging him back in the ring. NPK stay in your corner. Oh!
Hey. Look what he's doing.
Hey!
Woo!
You gonna allow that?
Woo! Welcome to the show, son.
Whoa!
Come on, Paydirt.
Tag team titles on the line here.
No!
Oh! The number 1 hit already! New tag team champions!
Let's go finish. Call that.
Ref.
Oh, come on, kick out.
2.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Oh! One for a running kick. Hot tag! Here comes NPK!
Oh.
NPK gets the comeback here. Oh! What a gut wrench suplex!
2.
Going on fire! Oh, he's going for it again. Oh, run! Oh.
Hey, I'm the ref. I can make the counts around here. Don't kick me. I'm the ref.
Oh, big clothesline by Rockstar. Dynamo is is the most mysterious, but the most mysterious superstar because he can be powerful, technical, and a high flyer all in one. Will NPK tap out here? The Fight Night champion is going to tap out? Those are the titles that are on the line here. NPK and Rockstar kicking NPK in the head. Trying to win that. Oh man, NPK out of nowhere. After NPK being dominated for quite some time now, he's going to get his momentum back as he goes up against Rockstar. Oh. Look at this. Oh man.
Yes, babe.
Woo! BK kicking a lifeless.
Come on.
Saeed!
Owen for the side. Here's one of his drop kicks. Oh, man. Big leg drop to the back of the head. We're going to have a new tag team champions here at Lightning Storm. No.
Come on.
Oh, submission hold.
Don't tap.
And ladies and gentlemen, this show is brought to you by Gatorade, the official sponsor of Fight. Remember, the winner become tag team champions. Skillz and Killz have been the champions since Fightline, biggest pay-per-view of the year, when they won a triple threat tag team match. They faced good challengers. Now it comes down to this. I'm gonna go with Skillz and Killz in this one because you know they've been the tag team champions.
Come on.
Quite some time. And a Hurricane Rana by Rockstar. Maybe he could change the momentum and get the. It looks like a tag to Dynamo, but no, he has NPK cornered. He's taking this one for himself right now. Oh, shoulder block taking on NPK. Rockstar up high. Oh, staying her leg drop. Makes the tag to Dynamo. Dynamo. Oh! No Dynamo. Smashing NPK's head into the turnbuckle. Oh, Paydirt just tagged Rockstar. We got pinned in the ring. Who? Oh! Rocks.
Oh, not today, not today. You want him? Not me. Oh, shit, you picked me up. Not again. Oh,
NPK.
man, you're just stupid, aren't you?
Oh! Dynamo.
Whoop!
Oh, and a big DDT. Is he going to pin Dynamo? Are they going to retain the tag team titles here? Tag to Paydirt. And another kick to the head. Oh, man. Oh, and Paydirt taking out Rockstar. Oh, Paydirt and NPK look to be the favorites right now to retain the tag team championships. Paydirt shoved out. Ref really should count Paydirt out here. Remember, NPK is not the legal man. Paydirt is, who's outside the ring. As a brawl just broke loose and all that. Now Rockstar taking on NPK. Lots of chops taking out Rockstar. You remember the legal man right now on the ring. Paydirt and Dynamo. Oh man, what a flying clothesline.
Get up! Get up! Go! Twist the face!
Oh! Oh, submission! Submission! Yes, it is windy today. Oh! Call for a twist of fate. Oh, head first off the knee. Clothesline. Rockstar going outside the ring. Another clothesline. Rockstar getting a comeback now. Rockstar's proven himself to be a high flyer. Is he going for his finisher move? Oh, he got him! We're going to have new tag team champions. Oh, a cheap shot to Paydirt. Oh, we got a pin. 1, 2. Oh, man. It's a tag to Dynamo. Dynamo shoving NPK. This is not usually like all the tag team matches of NPK and Paydirt. It's been one-sided. Oh, another clothesline. He's looking to finish and get it off right here. Oh, with a leg drop. Oh. Dynamo can't put away NPK. Paydirt has not been in this match for a while now. Oh! This might be the chance. Here, Paydirt's coming in. Here comes Paydirt. The running drop kick. Oh, Rockstar being taken out of the equation. Paydirt's coming out of here. Oh, they're looking for their double super kick. Oh! Oh, NPK. Paydirt, is he going to pin Dynamo here? Ref going down for the 2. Oh, and Rockstar just saving his tag team partner. Paydirt taking care of business of Rockstar, who's been right over there. NPK's over there trying to go after Rockstar outside the ring. Paydirt and Dynamo, remember, those are the legal men battling out right now. Oh my gosh! The action's all over the place. Meanwhile, Dynamo just slammed Paydirt.
Come on, Paydirt. Come on. Counter it.
Oh man. They have not been able to get out of the starting gate at all in this match. This is like a storm. Submission hold.
Hang in there, hang in there. Come on.
Wearing down Paydirt. Oh, nice spine buster there by Paydirt.
Come on.
They're going up to the top rope. Oh! Okay, he wants to tag. Paydirt. Oh, gets spine busted. Rockstar gonna look to put away Paydirt. Oh, shoves him off. What is NPK doing? This is not a no disqualification match. Rockstar getting distracted there by Paydirt. Oh, Paydirt taken out to the outside.
Go, Rockstar, come on.
Oh, he's gonna tag him in here. Oh, and a tornado DDT.
Twist of fate.
Over the twist of fate.
Come on. Whoa.
Oh, man.
Come on. Hey.
Oh, twist of fate. And Paydirt and Dynamo going at it. NPK now picking up Rockstar. What's Dynamo doing with the chair? Oh, and kicks him in the back of the knee. Oh, taking out the ref. Oh, with the chair. He just hit NPK with a chair. Oh, and Paydirt getting shoved out by Rockstar.
I got him. Finish him.
Now he's gonna go get him with the chair. Meanwhile, back in the ring. They knocked out the official. They can do all this they want, but they know. Oh, man, what a spear. Now Dynamo is getting the ref. It's Rockstar. Gonna snap it down. There we go. 1, 2, 3. We got new tag team champions.
Oh my gosh.
We have new tag team champions.
Oh my goodness. The streak is over. We have new tag team champions. And Skillz like Killz have been killed by their skills. The new tag team champions, the X Factor. NPK not really happy about this loss. And we have our new tag champions. What an amazing match with our new tag team champions.